Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to deposit money with this card in eToro in 2026. Want to fund your eToro account quickly using your debit card? This is one of the fastest and most convenient deposit methods available. In today's video, I'll show you step by step on how to deposit money with the debit card in eToro in 2026, just by following these few simple steps. Now, the first thing you want to do is to log into your eToro account. And to do that, you're going to go to your web browser and open a new tab and type in eToro.com. And you're going to click on the website eToro.com. Once the website appears, you're going to click on login and make sure you enter your account's credentials. Then once you log in, you're going to be directed to your account's dashboard, like this. Make sure your account is verified. You can do that by clicking on the verification, complete your verification. I'm going to go back here. And then I'm gonna go to my accounts. As you can see, I'm already signed in. And in the home page, you're gonna see the verify your accounts button. Click on it. You're gonna enter your information such as the first name, middle name, last name, etc. And you're gonna provide some documents to make your to verify your accounts or verify the authenticity of your account. Now, once you do that, the second step is to click the deposit funds. On the dashboard, you're going to click on the tab deposit funds, and there you're going to enter the amount you want to deposit. You can check the minimum deposit requirement in your region, and you're going to select the debit card. Choose a debit card as your payment method and enter your card details. For example, the card number, the expiration date, etc. Once you do that, as you can see here, you're gonna have to enter the CVV code, and the card expiration date, and the card number, and also the name on the card. And then you're gonna click on deposit. And make sure your card supports online payments with the bank app. And the fourth thing is to confirm the payments. You're gonna review the deposit amount and click submit. In most cases, these card deposits are processed instantly. Now, depositing a debit card on eToro in 2026 is fast and simple, and your funds usually appear immediately, allowing you to start trading right away. So always make sure your card details are correct and secure. And this is it for today's tutorial. If you liked this video and found it helpful, please like and subscribe, and leave a comment below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching, and see you again in the next tutorial.